What's up, everybody? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today I'm going to answer the question, is affiliate marketing dead in 2019? All right, welcome back. So I've gotten this question a few times, and I've seen a couple other people do some videos on it, so I thought I'd share my own 2 cents. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and bang the notifications bell, and we do talk about everything from affiliate marketing to Amazon FBA to Shopify to SEO to making money online. I have a number of online businesses, been in business for over 15 years, and been a strong super affiliate for over 5 years now. And I have an Amazon FBA business and a Shopify store going. So we got it all here. So something to learn every day. So anyway, we kind of wanted to talk about 2019 and affiliate marketing. I wouldn't say it's dead, but it's definitely evolving. How's that sound? That's probably the best word I can think of right now. It's definitely gotten a lot tougher. I've been in affiliate marketing since 2000, about 16 or maybe even 15. I don't remember when I started, but I know I hit my first big campaign when that DraftKings app came out. If you remember, that was a big app. One of the first years that the NFL came out, and the DraftKings was a gambling app. Like, you could download it, you could play like fantasy on it and stuff and whatnot. And I remember my mentor was telling me, yeah, this is going to be a hot app. I got a really nice payout on it if you run it this weekend. It was the first season of the NFL. It should do well. And I ran it and I crushed it. I had my first like $10,000 weekend ever. And I was like, whoa, this thing's like legitimately converting amazingly. And then it lasted like till the next weekend, and it didn't convert nearly as well. And by the third weekend, like, everybody and their brother had heard about it because they're running TV commercials, radio ads. Pretty much anybody who was watching football had heard of DraftKings by the third week, so it stopped converting. But that just goes to kind of show how affiliate campaigns go sometimes. Generally, they get a little bit of a they get called what's called saturated after a while, and other affiliates start finding out that this person's making money with it. They start running it, and pretty soon the audience for that campaign gets what's called saturated, and then it stops making profit for the affiliates because you're not getting enough conversions versus the cost of the traffic. And that's kind of how things go in this world. There was a time back in like 2009 and 2010. The cost of traffic was really cheap. There wasn't a lot of affiliates out there, and you could get away with running like dating on Facebook, Nutra, stuff that you could never run now. You could run on a lot of these like native ad networks and whatnot. Those trial offers I'm sure you've heard of. If you get the free testosterone booster for a month, and then you put your credit card in, and then you're on like a reoccurring. Those are called like trial offers for Nutra, and then they got keto pills and diet pills and all kinds of different vitamins and whatnot. And those used to be able to run those on native ads, and used to be able to run those on even Facebook at one time, I believe. That was even before my time. And there were guys that were absolutely crushing it. I mean, they were making hundreds of thousands of dollars a day and week and whatever with those offers. But that's gone away. The rules have changed. The games have changed. The amount of competition has changed. Every year, they said this year was the first year that digital marketing surpassed traditional advertising in terms of the amount of dollars that are spent on advertising. So, we've won. Okay, big deal. The digital marketing has now become more competitive, and it makes it harder for marketers like us to make money. So great. I'm glad we get more ad spend for digital marketing than traditional print and TV and whatnot. But it's just made things more difficult for us. But in the end, I think the good marketers are still going to end up being successful. See, what'll happen is, over time, the market will reach like a point where all these new people keep coming in, new businesses, new affiliates. There's guys like me and other affiliates that have put out courses and making more affiliates. And what will happen is the ones that are, the best of the best, the strong will survive type of thing. I like to watch a lot of those African animal videos when the survival of the fittest, when the wildebeest are running through the field and the 7 lions attack it, that kind of stuff. That's going to be what happens in affiliate marketing. There's there's going to be a lot of wildebeest out there, and the lions are going to kind of gobble them up, and those are the ones that are going to be the most successful. And what will happen is over time is we'll reach kind of a point where people are just going to give up. They're not making money, they're working hard, not getting the results, and then what happens is then the lions stick around. Those are the ones that are waiting there in the weeds, and they come in and they come in and gobble up the guys that are just kind of getting by. And what happens is the guys that are getting by, they just kind of either die or move on to other things, and the lions end up surviving because it is the survival of the fittest. So that's going to be kind of what you're going to start to see over time in affiliate marketing, in my opinion. Is the lions are going to win this game, and they're going to continue to make a lot of money, as we are. Here's a result of ours. This was the year to date. Here you can see 1/1 of 2019 to 3/27. Now this is just one of our affiliate networks we work with. I work with a number of them, but this is just one. We've made over $100,000 in the first 3 months of the year. So we're having success here. We're not we're not like doing like 100% ROI or anything, but realistically probably 30% ROI. So probably $30,000 in profit here. Generally, when you start to scale stuff nowadays, you become less profitable, but you end up making more money. That's kind of a common theme I've seen on a lot of the traffic sources lately. Other things that I've noticed is that your ROIs are lower overall. Cost of traffic continues to go up. Campaigns don't last as long. Those are all kind of trends, okay? And that's just coming from more people buying traffic. The brands are starting to spend more money on these platforms, which is all these traffic platforms are what's like an auction system, okay? So the more people that are buying those spaces on the platform, the higher the price goes. So when the higher the price goes, the lower our margins go, and we're still profitable. Don't get me wrong, but we're not making as much money as we were even 2 years ago. 2 years ago, we could run student loan on Facebook, and we were running 100% ROI consistently for 6 months. I mean, it was crazy. Some days we were making 5 and 10K profit a day. We were scaling. Our only limitation really was we were doing pay-per-call, and the call centers are only open certain hours of the day, and those call centers can only take so many calls before they max out all the operators. So what would happen is we'd start to scale, and then kind of reach the law of diminishing returns, and the amount of calls that would come in would flood the call centers, and we'd have secondary call centers set up, and it's the overflow of the calls. If they didn't get answered in 3 or 4 rings, they'd go to another call center type of thing, and even those would get maxed out when we start really scaling, and then the third one would get maxed out, and then what happens is the calls just go unanswered, and it's just wasted traffic. So you can only scale that so much, but I mean the ROI was crazy once we kind of found that sweet spot. Basically we could put in 4,000 a day and leave every day with 8,000. So it was 100% ROI on pay-per-call student loan. And then a couple of years ago, Facebook just decided they were going to not allow the student loan debt reconsolidation calls anymore. So that's part of the part of the theme of this video is that is affiliate marketing dead? Well, yeah, student loan pay-per-call on Facebook is dead because you can't do it anymore. If you do that, you're going to get your account banned. Most likely your business manager banned, not just the account. So that's part of the evolution of this industry. But is there still opportunity? Absolutely. I mean, if you learn from somebody that's actually making it successful right now and actually has 100K on one ad account or one affiliate account here in the last 3 months, and we have another one that's over 100 and another one that's over 100. We're well into the $250,000 range for the first quarter of this year just on affiliate campaigns, with probably an average about 30% profit roughly. And so do the math. That's close to $100,000 in profit. 2 media buyers, myself, running these campaigns. Okay, so yeah, affiliate marketing is not dead in 2019. We're still making money, but it's different. Okay, it's a lot different. In fact, it's a lot harder, and it's only getting harder. So one of the things you can do is you can learn from somebody that is being successful in this basically wilderness, the lion's den, if you will. And if you learn from the person that is the lion, then you actually can become a lion yourself over time. Are you going to become a seasoned veteran in 1 week? No, it's not realistic. Are you Can you get the working ads, the working campaigns, and the working knowledge from somebody that already has that knowledge and speed up your learning curve? Absolutely. Okay, you can become a lion cub right now and become like a male lion in a lot quicker time if you spend the money and learn from a mentor that actually has that knowledge to get you to be from a baby cub lion to a full grown male lion in a shorter amount of time. That's what we call mentorship. So if you are interested in learning how we're seeing results like this, I do have a wait list below in the comments, and you can go ahead and sign up for that wait list. We do have a course coming out. It's going to be called the Lead Gen Affiliate course, and it's a really amazing course. We show you exactly how we did these numbers in 2019. Okay, we actually did it this year. We actually produced this revenue this year, not like a lot of the other cougars out there in affiliate marketing that did their successful campaigns back in 2016 and 15 when it was a heck of a lot easier. That's what I do know some affiliates that had success back in those days and are still teaching the same theory that they were back then. But unfortunately, that theory worked back then, but it doesn't work now because the game has changed. It has evolved. It's gotten more difficult. It's gotten more expensive. And if you spend your entire day, like my media buyers do, buying traffic, you understand the trends and you can adjust quicker because you're actually buying traffic in today's environment. And today's environment is not what it was 3 years ago or 2 years ago. It's completely different. Okay, things have changed. The game has changed, and you have to evolve. And one of the things that we're going to do with this upcoming group of students when we launch this new course is we're going to have like kind of an ongoing education thing. We're either going to come up with some kind of a forum or group that we'll put together, and then we'll also add videos to the members area periodically. It'll be a lifetime update type thing if you buy into the course. And as things change and my full-time media buyers figure things out, we'll update the students that invested in us. And those students will have the opportunity to go out there and try this stuff themselves. I mean, it's an abundant market. There's a lot of abundance out here. There's a lot of traffic to be bought. What works on Facebook typically works on Pinterest, and what works on Pinterest typically works on like a native ad network like Outbrain or something like that. And right now we were running really well with Pinterest, and then they changed their algorithm, and that campaign became not profitable. So we took that campaign over to Facebook, brought it over to Facebook, and that campaign was doing really well, and they shut down a business manager on us. We got another business manager up and running, and they shut down that one on us for no good reason. We had like 9 and 10 relevance scores on our ads, and of course they don't give us an answer. So we went over to Outbrain with our working stuff, and now we're running on native, and we are actually having success on native. So we are going to go back ahead and do a couple things a little bit differently on Facebook. We're going to go back and fire that monster back up because I think we know what the problem is, but it's not cut and dry. When they shut down a business manager on you, they just send you an email and say your business manager shut down. That's it. Okay, what did I do wrong? You don't know because you have to go back and test. Well, business managers aren't that easy to come by. They're a little bit of a pain in the neck. You got to build them up. You get more ad accounts after you spend some money. You got to get some trust from Facebook, and then you can be off to the races. I do follow a lot of YouTubers on YouTube, and I've even heard some of the e-com guys. And the funny thing is we are kind of running affiliate e-com offers right now. A lot of the stuff we're running is affiliate e-com offers. So it's like physical products. I mean, like stuff that people want and like and want to buy. And I've heard this from multiple other people that are running like Shopify and whatnot, that their ad accounts are getting banned and shut down for no good reason. And it's just Facebook. It's been like this for quite a while. It's frustrating, but again, Facebook's not the only monster in town. There's Google, there's Pinterest, there's Bing, Snapchat. You got all the native ad networks. You got tons of other traffic networks. But the key is once you learn how to run traffic and convert traffic into commissions, basically affiliate commissions, then you can take your knowledge and you can go out to other traffic sources, and generally you can have fairly quick success because you already know how to convert the traffic into money. Okay, so that's the whole point with the upcoming course is we're going to teach you the theory of how we do it, and then we're going to show you some real examples. We're going to give you like everything that we've had up until this point, the last like 5 years of success. Every single campaign that we've had ever that's worked and made us profit, you're going to get that. So like it's invaluable knowledge. You can't even get that from any of these guys that aren't even running traffic anymore. They don't have anything that that was successful in the last 1 or 2 years, and we do. We have tons of stuff. So we're going to show you all that, and then you can take that and you can either run it on Facebook if you want. We're going to teach you how to run it on Facebook. Over the shoulder type of stuff, going from not profitable to profitable. We're going to show you exactly how to do that, and we're going to show. Probably even have a supplemental video on how to run it on Pinterest, and possibly even Outbrain once we really get that cranking. So, like I said, once you get the knowledge of, the traffic, the conversion part, and then, the offer part, and you put it all together, that's when you can just, take it over to different traffic sources. If you get sick of Facebook, or you get sick of Pinterest, or you get sick of Snapchat, whatever you're running, there's other traffic sources. You go out there and just take your skills and take them over to the next level. So, that's it. I mean, that's affiliate marketing in 2019. Lots of traffic sources. The traffic sources are getting better. Most of the traffic sources have pixels now. You don't really even need tracking software. That's been a big change over the last couple of years. We run mostly just off pixels and get plenty of data, all the data we need off that. Traffic's more expensive. Digital ad spend has crossed the traditional ad spend mark. More affiliates out there, more brands buying digital marketing. But again, you could always get into this affiliate marketing, have some success in this, and then take those skills and work for like a company buying their digital media too. That's another way to make money in this business, is leverage your knowledge and your skills to work for either an ad agency or start your own ad agency, or just work for certain businesses and just do their digital marketing. Because most people that own businesses like myself, we don't have a lot of time to sit there and learn these traffic sources and run the traffic all day and look at numbers. Okay, but if you enjoy that and you like doing that, then you can do that for businesses once you get the skills that you need to be a digital marketer in 2019. So hopefully you enjoyed today on the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.